To turn on dark mode on Temu, start by opening the Temu application on your device. Once the app is open, navigate to the bottom of the screen where you will see a series of icons, including the home, search, cart, and profile icons. Tap on the profile icon, which is typically represented by a person or a silhouette. After tapping on the profile icon, you will be taken to your account page, where you will see various options such as your order history, account settings, and notifications. Look for the settings option, which is usually represented by 3 dots or a gear icon, and tap on it to access the Temu settings menu. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see the display or appearance option. Tap on this option to access the display settings, where you can adjust the appearance of the Temu app. Look for the dark mode or night mode option and toggle the switch to turn it on. This will change the background color of the app to a darker color, making it easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Alternatively, you can also turn on dark mode on Temu by going to your device settings and looking for the display or accessibility options. Some devices have a built-in dark mode feature that can be applied to all apps, including Temu. By turning on dark mode in your device settings, you can enable dark mode on Temu and other apps that support this feature. It is worth noting that turning on dark mode on Temu can have several benefits, including reducing eye strain, conserving battery life, and improving the overall user experience. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn on dark mode on Temu and enjoy a more comfortable and visually appealing shopping experience.